For any of the formatting assignments, 10, 25, or 40 XP, you're going to essentially need the same things. First, you start with the heading, which is your name, teacher, class, and or period, and the date. So I'm going to start with my name, if I can spell it correctly, my teacher, my class, and if you wanted to also include the period, you could, and the date. And include the year on that. Oh, I went to the future. Then you're going to want to include the title. The title, by the way, the heading up here should be aligned to the left. I'm going to go ahead and set it to double space now. Remember, you go to these arrows and go to double. And now it's set on double space for the rest of the page. I want to center my title. Go down one, and now I want to align it back to the left. And now I want to go to the page where I'm going to grab the text. This is for the 10 XP, so this is a Wikipedia page on Thanksgiving. And I'm just going to copy this up to here using Control-C. And now I'm going to go back to my document and paste it with Control-V. And it puts it in there. Now you'll notice when I copy and pasted it, it did not keep the formatting that I had, meaning it's not double spaced and the same font size. If I try that again doing Control-Shift-V, you'll notice now it keeps the formatting that I had, so that's kind of a handy tip. Control-Shift-V. Now there's some problems with this. One, it's not indented, so I'm going to need to go here and click Tab, and I'll need to do that for each of the paragraphs. Some of the other issues people were having is some of the letters were bold or blue. You can solve that by clicking and highlighting the whole thing, clicking bold, which will make all the letters bold, and then clicking again, which will make none of them bold. If any of your letters were blue, you just click on it, click on black, and now all my letters are black. The other part that you need is some sort of citation. Now, if you're doing the 10 or 25 point assignment, you need a citation, but I don't care what you do it for. I just want to know that you know how to do it. For the 40 point assignment, where you're actually doing research, you need to cite the websites that you use to get your research, and you need to have at least 3 of them following the rule of 3. For this one, I'm going to go ahead and click and highlight this word, Puritans. Highlight the whole thing so the little number will come after the word. Then I'm going to right click on it and go to Research. Now this is helpful if you're actually doing research. It will give it to you right here in your Google Doc. You can go to any of these sites. You can preview what the website looks like by clicking Preview, and it'll show you a small version of the web page. I'm not actually doing research here, so I'm just going to go ahead and click the Cite button. You'll notice it popped in a little small number 1, and that's saying that I got this information from this website down here. This is called a footnote. So you need at least 1 citation on your document. If I go back to my formatting assignment, make sure I have it font size 12, it's double spaced, I have the title, which is centered, I indented all my paragraphs, I cited a source with a footnote. It looks like I'm good to go. Now I can go ahead and share this document with my teacher.